Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel That Middle Class Girl, and I'm Sunetra. Today's video is going to be about the benefits of honey for the skin. Honey has long been a favorite ingredient in skincare as it keeps your skin looking younger, improves the radiance, and also helps in keeping the skin smooth. Now, if you can get your hands on raw honey, then that would be the best because raw honey contains certain components, or it's packed with some really beneficial components which do like magic to your skin. Now, it's very important to understand that the honey which you are using must contain all its healthy bacteria to be effective. Now, the first way of using honey is directly applying it as a treatment over your acne or spots or any other scarring on your face, or you can also use it to treat dry skin. Honey also acts as a natural exfoliator, which means that applying honey to your face will remove all the dry and the dull skin cells and will reveal the new skin cells underneath. The other way of using honey is by mixing it with other ingredients and making it into a soothing face mask treatment. But before doing this, make sure to do a patch test to ensure that you're not allergic to either honey that you're using or the other ingredients that you're putting it into. So without further ado, let's get into making of the face packs. So that's it for today's video. Do try these packs out and let me know in the comment section below how you liked it. So yes, see you all in my next video. Until then, take care. Tata.